push. Slam that thing. There you go, girl. There you go. Push on it. Force it. Okay.
You got your rag, the diagonal. There you go.
Oh, that was really good. That was really good.
There you go. Nice. Look at that. Well, they went all the way to the bottom. I think you must be done. Push those things. Force it. There you go.
Nature is a force to be reckoned with.
Yes. Therefore, there's nothing.
Change,
Yeah.
just like that.
Nothing regular about it. So in our crevices, none of them are the same.
Shrubbery.
Okay. Lay it down, my dear. Christine, lay it down.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna do our drips in green now that we've done our shrubbery.
We can overlap like the other colors. Right?
You can, but I wouldn't. She's dripping her green. Push that thing. You like it? You like your drips?
Are we drippy?
Mine aren't as drippy as yours. Hold on. Let me see. Thank you, Mother Earth.
Thank you, Mother Earth.
So think craggy and do your outlines in a craggy fashion. Now we're doing the light parts, which are the tops and the rights.
Shrubbery.
There he goes. Doing our striations now. Not quite so wavy, Christine. A little bit more craggy. Yep.
That's what I'm doing. I gotta take over the whole space. I'm a space hog.
I don't believe a word of it. Okay, go. Christine. It's coming together now.
Oh, it's coming together really nice. Now I can really see, what her vision is, and it looks real. So
Yay.
It's really real. I love it. Love it.
Cool. Go for it. Closer to the bottom of the page there. Yeah.
Just in the drip area.
Well, up into the mountains after you get quite a bit in the drip area. bring some up into the monument. Yep. Go for it. Higher yet. There, now you're getting some cool streaks there, Christine. And that goes good with what we just did, right? Your streaks, right? Mm-hmm.
Stroke the brush.
Yeah, this is spraying better.
Date?
Yep, got it.
Got it?
I said I like the way you did the bushes. You did the green dots and then you put the squiggly lines through them. I think that's really cool. And then I like how we did the etching with the thinner marker to make like the crevices and stuff like that. I thought that was a cool technique.
Look how pretty yours is,
Yeah.
really. I mean, really.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Yeah, and Phil, what do you say about your piece?
I enjoyed, trying to do the shadows and then the horizontal craggly lines, as
Right.
you call them.
Right?
But just doing the rocks, it just gave me like a sense of serenity. Just doing the rocks.
That's cool.